Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Minecraft connection timed out error. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first stop, go to your date and time right here at the bottom right. Right click on adjust date and time. And then once done, make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time automatically are both enabled or toggled on. And then once that's done, click on sync now. Wait a bit, close this one. And then after that, go ahead over to your search bar, type down CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Now in here, type down ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit on enter. Now type down net sh space winsock space reset, hit on enter. Net sh space int space IP space reset, hit on enter. Now close this one, restart your computer. And then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, well, go ahead over to your search bar and find the control panel. Click on it. Make sure that at the top right, you set this one to large icons and find network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Now, double click on the network that you're currently using. Double click on properties. Now, find Internet Protocol version 4, properties. And just copy my settings, okay? Obtain an IP address automatically. Use the following DNS server addresses, 8888-8844. Click on OK, close. Now again, do not forget to restart your computer. And once that's done, open up Minecraft and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. That is how you fix Minecraft connection timed out error. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.